Welcome back to Tuscany. I'm Danilo Romolini, and today we are in the incredible Tuscan coast. We are in Monte Argentario with an unrivaled sea view. We will tour this 30.6 hectares wine estate with vineyard, wine cellar, business accommodation, and direct sea access. Come with me. This estate is the result of life work and passion for the area. The owner worked tirelessly to create something unique on the slopes of Monte Argentario, an area of rare beauty and strictly protected. His determination led to the creation of an unrepeatable property. Let's go and have a look. The estate is accessed by a private road closed by gates. This guarantees complete privacy and safety. Facing southwest, the estate has the shape like an amphitheater, with the mountains sheltering it on the rear from the winds. It creates this perfect condition to produce wine. Also, thanks to this position, every night you can enjoy some breathtaking sunsets with the sun diving into the Tyrrhenian Sea just beside the islands of the Tuscan archipelago. We can divide the estate into two big areas. The upper area on the mountain with the wine cellar, the villa of the owner, 2 cottages, and on the very top the private chapel. And the lower area by the sea with the gatehouse, the 6-bedroom octagonal villa with its own infinity edge swimming pool, 2 cottages, and direct sea access. Included in the sale of the estate, there are a few shares from a club by the sea, and you can enjoy all the services like, for example, the restaurant. This estate is really close and connected to the cities of the Argentario like Porto Ercole and Porto Santo Stefano, but also to many other cities of Tuscany like Grosseto, Florence and Siena. For intercontinental flights, you can fly in to Rome, Pisa and Florence. This is the owner's villa, located on top of the estate, and it has a dominating position over the whole property. It is laid out onto 3 floors with 3 bedrooms up to 4 and 5 bathrooms. Externally, there are these stunning terraces to enjoy the summer. Recently, the project for the realization of a pool has been approved. So, even though we are in a protected area, there is the possibility of creating a swimming pool. Just beside the owner's villa, we find this cottage with 1 bedroom with ensuite bathroom, kitchen and living room. It can be used either for rentals or as an accommodation for friends. It has this beautiful garden with a stunning sea view. On the top of the estate, we find this small chapel, ideal for moments of reflection and meditation. Inside the chapel, we find 2 terracotta statues dating back to the 1400s from the artist De Condulis. The estate is composed externally of 30.6 hectares of land, with 1.2 hectares of vineyard and 1.5 of olive grove. The rest is woodland. This is the winery and wine shop of the estate. It is divided into an apartment on top as a guest accommodation, an oil section in this room with an olive oil mill press, and then all the wine area. So we can divide it into a vat room with stainless steel vats. Down below we find a room with barriques to age the wine, and then the third room dedicated to bottling facilities and storing of the wine. So many outdoor spaces can be used for tastings and hosting events related to wine. And here we are inside the wine cellar. That's definitely one of my favorite rooms since it is so fresh. In fact, we are underground and you can see it has been made with so much love. There is terracotta both on the floor and the ceiling. The temperature is controlled and also the humidity. And here you can store your wine and age it inside the barriques. This is the octagonal villa. It's the biggest villa in the whole estate, and it's called octagonal because of its shape. It is laid out onto multiple levels. The lowest level with an infinity edge swimming pool, this level with this stunning terracotta paved terrace, and 5 bedrooms with independent access. That makes them perfect for an accommodation business. On the upper level we find the kitchen and living area, and on the very top one another bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Let's go and have a look at the swimming pool. And here we are by the pool of the octagonal villa. This is a 12 by 4 meters infinity edge swimming pool with over there a pergola with electric covering, and over here a little kitchenette. In this area you can enjoy your Tuscan summer holidays. The owner currently rents out the whole villa, but since each bedroom has an independent access, you could rent out the bedrooms individually. Let's go and have a look inside one. This is probably my favorite bedroom in the octagonal villa since it has this huge window that allows so much light to come in, and as soon as you wake up you have a stunning view over the sea. It also has a stone fireplace, and over here a bathroom and a wardrobe. Let's now go upstairs and I'll show you the living area and kitchen. And here we are on the first floor of the octagonal villa. Here we find this stunning stone paved terrace, this outdoor dining area where you can have al fresco lunch and dinner, and over there an outdoor sitting area where you can have an aperitivo while you enjoy the sunset. Let's go and have a look inside. Here we are inside the octagonal room. You can notice on the floor the octagonal shaped terracotta tiles. This room is extremely spacious and is very well suited to host a lot of people and have parties. Notice this table. It is one piece of wood. Let's go through this door and have a look at the kitchen. This is the kitchen. It has modern finishes. This table has a marble top, and here you have all the facilities. Through this door you get to the terrace. We are now on the top level of the octagonal villa. You can notice the roof and right behind the stunning sea view. The same amazing view, you get it from the bedroom. In fact, this bedroom has this huge window that allows so much light to come in and makes it really bright. Over there we find a bathroom and wardrobe. We are now by one of the two cottages in the lower part of the estate. This is a really pretty cottage because it's really small, but it's very detailed. Look at this stone mill that was used to produce oil. The view from here is incredible. You feel like you're about to touch the sea. Outside you find this outdoor sitting area. The whole terrace is paved with terracotta and covered with this beautiful pergola. Let's go and have a look inside. Here we are inside the cottage. It is really cute and charming. It has this dining area, sitting area. Over there is the kitchen, and down here we find a bathroom and a double bedroom. This estate is an excellent investment opportunity, not only for someone looking for a winemaking property to produce your own wine, but also for someone looking for a prestigious property to use as a full-fledged accommodation business. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.